The artificial intelligence battlefield just erupted with a major twist, and it's shaking the foundations of everything we thought we knew. Elon Musk's GROK, previously considered a rebellious alternative in the AI race, has now officially entered Microsoft Azure's ecosystem. This shocking move essentially ends OpenAI's exclusive dominance on Azure and marks the beginning of a new rivalry between Musk and his former partners. Microsoft's decision to host GROK means the playing field has been leveled and the AI world will never be the same again. Before we dig into the consequences of this groundbreaking shift, make sure to like and subscribe for in-depth coverage of the AI arms race, big tech rivalries, and next-gen innovation. Let's explore how GROK's arrival on Azure could change artificial intelligence forever. 1. What is GROK and why it matters? GROK is the flagship conversational AI developed by xAI, the artificial intelligence company founded by Elon Musk in 2023. Unlike traditional models like ChatGPT, GROK is deeply integrated with X, formerly known as Twitter, which gives it access to real-time social media data. Its personality is unapologetically bold, less filtered, often humorous, and willing to say things most AI systems won't. Built to challenge the mainstream and push back against censorship, GROK aims to be a voice of raw, real-time commentary. Now that GROK is operating on Microsoft Azure, it's no longer a quirky side project, it's becoming a true competitor in the world of enterprise-grade AI infrastructure. 2. Microsoft's shocking move. For years, Microsoft and OpenAI seemed inseparable, with billions of dollars exchanged and GPT models tightly embedded across Azure, Office, and Copilot. But now, by hosting GROK, Microsoft is signaling that it no longer wants to be seen as tied to just one AI provider. This strategic shift shows that Microsoft is more interested in dominating the cloud infrastructure layer than in promoting one specific model. Azure is transforming into a neutral hub, welcoming powerful models from various developers, not just OpenAI. GROK is the first step toward a more open, competitive, and diversified AI marketplace within the Microsoft ecosystem. 3. Why this ends OpenAI's monopoly on Azure. Since GPT-3, OpenAI enjoyed an almost exclusive relationship with Microsoft Azure, gaining first access to compute resources, scaling, and integration support. This allowed OpenAI to dominate the AI developer space and pushed other models into the shadows. But by letting GROK in, Microsoft is essentially telling the world, Azure is open for all top-tier AI models. It's a signal that the age of exclusivity is over, and that new voices like GROK can now access the same infrastructure as the giants. Developers, businesses, and users now have options, real options, and that alone changes the power dynamics in the AI world overnight. 4. Why Elon Musk made this move. Elon Musk's history with OpenAI is complicated. He co-founded it in 2015, left due to disagreements, and later criticized its move toward closed systems. He created xAI and GROK to bring back what he calls a truth-seeking model, unconstrained by political correctness or corporate alignment. Until recently, GROK was limited by infrastructure, making it difficult to scale or compete with OpenAI's access to Azure. Now, by teaming up with Microsoft's cloud, Musk has all the backend power needed to take GROK mainstream and fast. This isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a power move aimed directly at OpenAI, using their former partner's platform to mount the challenge. 5. What this means for AI developers. If you're an AI developer, this is a massive turning point in the tools you can access and the models you can deploy. You no longer have to rely solely on OpenAI's APIs, because Azure might soon offer you both GPT and GROK under the same roof. This shift means more flexibility, better pricing competition, and faster iteration between models. Whether you're working on customer service bots, creative tools, or autonomous agents, you can now explore different models with ease. GROK on Azure could also encourage developers to rethink what tone and personality they want from their AI assistants. 6. How GROK compares to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is known for its safety, reliability, and professional tone. It's used in education, research, and enterprise software. GROK, on the other hand, is designed to feel more like an edgy, real-time conversation partner that's plugged directly into the news cycle, where ChatGPT avoids controversial topics and leans toward neutrality. GROK embraces opinionated, witty, and sometimes even sarcastic responses. Both models serve different needs. ChatGPT excels in structured logic and safety, while GROK thrives in personality and immediacy. And with GROK now gaining infrastructure power, it might finally be able to match or even exceed ChatGPT's capabilities in some domains. 7. Is Microsoft playing both sides? Absolutely and intentionally so. Microsoft is no longer betting on just one model. It wants to become the dominant platform, no matter which AI system wins. By welcoming GROK, Microsoft ensures it remains the backbone of innovation, even if the future shifts away from OpenAI. This dual approach strengthens Microsoft's market presence and makes Azure the go-to platform for diverse AI development. Instead of loyalty, Microsoft is now prioritizing flexibility and optionality, and in doing so, it's hedging brilliantly against uncertainty. 8. Impact on the OpenAI-Microsoft relationship. The partnership between Microsoft and OpenAI is still strong, but it's no longer sacred. By letting GROK in, Microsoft is essentially admitting that OpenAI is not its only long-term strategy for AI leadership. This will likely force OpenAI to reconsider its future, possibly pushing it to build more independent infrastructure or exclusive consumer products. While Microsoft still benefits from OpenAI's success, it's now prepared for a scenario where other models gain traction. The relationship has evolved from exclusive partnership to strategic collaboration, with just a hint of growing rivalry underneath. 9. What's next for GROK and xAI? Now that GROK has access to powerful infrastructure, we can expect rapid evolution and product launches. GROK 2 is already in testing, and rumors suggest it could roll out as an API, be embedded in Tesla dashboards, or power new types of robotics. With cloud-scale support, GROK could expand far beyond X and become a core part of Musk's vision for intelligent machines. It may even support multimodal features like vision, voice synthesis, and autonomous control systems in the near future. What began as a chatbot is quickly becoming a serious AI platform with a mission to challenge everything mainstream. 10. Why this changes the AI landscape. The arrival of GROK on Azure is a clear signal that AI is no longer a one-horse race. Multiple philosophies, architectures, and personalities will now compete for attention and utility. This competition will drive down prices, accelerate innovation, and give users more tailored experiences. The cloud wars are now the AI wars, and the winners will be those who can support openness, creativity, and user choice. GROK's presence on Azure may be the start of a broader revolution where monopolies fade and new voices rise. The power struggle is just beginning. GROK's move to Microsoft Azure isn't just about scale, it's about reshaping who controls the narrative and the tools of the future. Elon Musk's challenge to OpenAI has officially gone from theory to action, and the AI community is watching closely. As alliances shift, models compete, and platforms open up, the next few months could define the next decade of AI. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to stay updated on this epic battle, because things are only just beginning. The age of exclusive control is over. The era of competitive intelligence is finally here.